Gold prices rose modestly as investors sought safe haven assets amid escalating global trade tensions and ahead of upcoming US inflation data. Spot gold increased by 0.5% to around $3,360 per ounce, while US futures edged up 0.3% amid tariff concerns on imports from Mexico and the EU. Anticipation of June's US Consumer Price Index, forecast at 2.7% headline and 3.0% core, added further volatility to the precious metals market. Silver, although slightly down in domestic markets, remains strong globally. It briefly hit a 14-year high near $38.15 per ounce, driven by industrial demand, tight supplies, and value-seeking investors shifting into silver amid gold's rally. In Ahmedabad, silver surged about 30% year-to-date to become more valuable per kilogram than gold, which rose 28% for 10 grams. In India, MCX futures reflected this dynamic. Gold August futures climbed to approximately 97,896 rupee per 10 grams, up 0.12%, while silver September futures pulled back to around 1,12,330 rupee per kg after hitting record highs. Analysts identified support and resistance levels for both metals. Gold support lies between 97,00097,440 and resistance at 98,00098,360. Silver support is 1,10,801,12,000, with resistance at 1,14,000,1,15,200. Analysts caution that both markets could see choppy movement pending US inflation figures and further trade developments. With interest rate expectations at play and the dollar index strengthening, traders are advised to avoid new positions until clarity emerges. Historically, gold thrives during geopolitical uncertainty when rates are expected to ease, while silver gains from both safe haven demand and industrial consumption. Overall, gold remains elevated, holding critical support levels, and silver continues to shine, driven by undercurrents of both investor and industrial sentiment. The short-term outlook hinges on US economic data and evolving global trade narratives.